students, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am again in front of you with the lecture of class 7th. In the lecture of class 7th, today I will deliver the second lecture of exercise 9.1, in which I will start the question from question number 6. What is question number 6? That is, you have to tell that which following pair represent the same rational numbers. So first of all, I will do the first part, that is very simple. How to solve? This is minus 7 by 21. 7 into 7, 7 3s are. This is minus 1 by 3. The second is 3 by 9. After cancellation, we will get 1 by 3. So minus 1 by 3 is not equals to 1 by 3. So both are not same. Both are not same. That means this and this are not same. Now come to the second part. This second part is, first is minus 16 by 20. When you cancel it by 4, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are. This is minus 4 by 5. And when you take 20 by 25, negative, 5 4s are 5 5s are. It will equals to minus 4 by 5 again. So both are same. Okay. So this therefore minus 16 by 20 and 20 by minus 25 are same. Okay, now come to the third part. Third part is minus 2 by 3. This and this will cancel. This is 2 by 3 and 2 by 3, minus 2 by 3 and 2 by 3. Both are same. Both are same. Only the negative sign is different. So we can cancel these two signs and both are same. Okay, to convert it into the simplest form, we can easily check these are equal for rational numbers or not. Okay, now come to the next question. Now convert the following into the simplest form. Means you have to cancel out it by using one table and convert it into the shortest form. That is how you can solve it. First, minus 8 by 6. This is cancelled by the table of 2. 4 and 3. This is minus 4 by 3. The second part is 25 by 45. 5 5s are 5 9s are. That is 5 by 9. Simplest form. Now the third part is minus 44 upon 72. You can cancel it by using table 2. Then it is cancelled by 11. It is 18. Then minus 1 11 by 18 is the answer. So this is the way to do the simple question. Now come to the next question. Next question is, you have to fill the boxes by using less than, greater than and equal to sign. So before doing this, I want to make the LCM same. I want to find the same denominator. So for this, I will take 5 by 7. Out of these 7 and 3, the LCM is 21. So that's why I will multiply it by 3. That is minus 15 by 21. And the next, that is 2 by 3 is multiplied by 7. That is 14 by 21. Now out of 15 by 21 and 14 by 21, 14 is greater. Okay, so it is formed from minus 5 by 7 and it is formed from 2 by 3. So it is greater. Okay, so this is the way to do first question. Now second question. Second question is minus 4 by 5 and minus 5 by 7. First of all, the LCM of both is 35. So I will make 4 by 5 into 7 and 7. That is minus 28 by 35. This is minus 5 by 7. That is 5 and 5. That is 5 5 are 25 upon 35. Now out of these two, minus 28 by 35 and minus 25 by 35, which is greater? This is greater again, because in a negative, the greater term is, the smaller term is greater and greater term is smaller. So this is greater. It is formed from minus 4 by 5, right? The box, then it is minus 5 by 7. So this is the way to solve the second part. Now come to the third part. I will draw from this side. Okay. So this is I will do the part third. This is that part. Minus third part is minus 7 by 8. Box 14 by minus 16. So you can take my product of these 8 2s are. So I will make the same 14 upon 16. Yes. If you want to cancel out these, so you will get the same minus 7 by 8. So minus 7 14 by 16 boxes 14 by minus 16 are equal. That means minus 7 by 8 and 14 by 16 both are equal. So this is the way to solve these type of questions, in which you have to first make the denominator same, and after making the denominator same you have to compare the numerator according to their numerical values. Okay, now come to the next question. The next question is, which is greater out of these two terms? So first of all I will solve first part, that is 2 by 3 and 5 by 2. 2 by 3 is for taking the same numbers denominator, I will multiply with 2. This is 4 by 6, and 5 by 2 is multiplied with 3, that is 15 by 6, right? So this is out of 4 by 6 and 15 by 6. 15 by 6 is greater and 15 by 6 is found from 5 by 2. That means 5 by 2 is greater. Right? So this is the simple way. All questions are almost similar. You have to take the LCM and then make the same denominator, then compare the two ratio numbers. Almost all the questions are same. In this question I will take, this is 5 by 6 and minus 4 by 3. I will multiply it by only 2. 5 by 6 remain as it is because the LCM of these two is 6. So minus 4 by 3 into 2 upon 2. 4 2s are 8, 3 2s are 6. So when you compare these two, minus 5 by 2, 5 by 6 and minus 8 by 6, this number is greater, the smaller number is greater. Therefore, minus 5 by 6 is greater, right? Now the last part, that is this part, I will draw from this part, this side. I will compare by taking mixed fraction. You have to, first of all, you have to convert. It is the fifth part of ninth question. 3 2 by 7 minus 3 4 by 5. Write it into the proper fraction. 7 3s are 21, 22, 23. Minus 15 and minus 19 by 5. And when you compare it, minus 23 by 7 into 5, and this is 5. 5 3s are 15. 15 and 5 2s are 10 and 1 11. So this is minus 115 upon 35. This 19 upon 5 7 by 7. This is minus 133 upon 35. Okay. So by comparing these two, minus 115 upon 35, it is greater than minus 133 upon 35. So therefore, which is greater? It is formed by minus 22, minus 23 by 7 is greater. This implies minus 3 2 by 7 is greater. So this is the way to solve this question. Now come to the last question, in which you have to write it into the descending order. Now I have to write the following ratio number into the ascending order. Small, greater than greater. First of all, I will make the LCM same. This is multiplied with 3 because LCM is 9. So I will multiply it with 3. 3 by 9. The second is minus 2 by 9, and for the third I will make it by minus 4 by 3 into 3 by 3, that is minus 12 by 9. So I have three numbers, 3 by 9, minus 2 by 9 and minus 12 by 9, right? Now the smaller one is minus 12 by 9, then 2 by negative 2 by 9, then 3 by 9. So I will take, it is formed from minus 4 by 3. So minus 4 by 3 less than minus 2 by 9 as it is less than 1 by 3. So this is the ascending order, smaller than greater. Only one concept is in whole of the exercise, that you have to make the denominator same by taking the LCM. And after taking the same denominator, you can compare each and every fraction, every rational numbers. Okay, do the remaining parts of these type of questions, do the practice. I will meet you in the next video. Till that time, take care. Bye bye.